How to enable USB debugging on Android. This tutorial shows you how to unlock developer options and turn on USB debugging on your device. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. After that, scroll down and tap on About Phone to open the device information page. From there, tap on Software Information to see more details about your device. At this point, find the Build Number option and tap on it 7 times in a row. In the next step, after a few taps, you'll see a message counting down, telling you how many taps are left. Keep going until you see a message saying Developer Mode has been enabled. Following this, go all the way back to the main settings page and scroll to the very bottom. Once done, you'll now see Developer Options sitting at the bottom of the list. Tap on it to open it. From here, make sure the toggle at the very top is switched on to confirm that Developer Mode is active. At this stage, scroll down through the options until you find USB Debugging and tap the toggle next to it to turn it on. Finally, a pop-up will appear asking you to confirm. Tap OK, and USB debugging will be fully enabled on your device. And that's it. If this guide helped you enable USB debugging on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.